Guess what? Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Brock Go Fast. Today's video, we're working on the truck today. Not the S2000, but we're working on the truck because it's got the craziest issue. The fans are on full blast, no AC. The thermostat's not reading, or not the thermostat, but the temperature gauge isn't reading, and I think it's the thermostat, so we're going to replace the thermostat today on the 2014 Silverado. But first, if you haven't, hit subscribe, hit like, comment below, and we'll get into today's video. You ever been driving down the road, turn off your truck, and the fans are wah as full blast as they go? Well, that happened to me. Took my dog to the vet, and as I'm in the vet's office, I'm thinking, what is that loud sound? I walk out to my truck, it's my truck. Temperature gauge doesn't read, no AC, and everywhere I go, the fans are on full blast. So I really think what it is that the thermostat got stuck because it happened out of nowhere. And the reason I don't think it's the sensor is the truck has about 112,000 miles on it. And the way that it's acting, putting the fans on full blast, I just really think that's what it was. So I went on to Rock Auto, was able to get the thermostat with the thermostat housing, and I'll show you the part number for that. So I went with the Motorrad. Here it is, the part number, thermostat with housing. Pretty cheap. It was only like 30 something bucks shipped from Rock Auto. The part is that GM wanted crazy money, and then AutoZone wanted, and Napa wanted like 80, 90 bucks for the same thing. So it was kind of no-brainer to go with the Rock Auto. Not sponsored. I just love to save money. So get a part number, just go crazy. But today we're going to install this bad boy. It's not hard. It's just a pain in the butt. And let's hope that it is fixed because I need the truck today. And yes, it's absolutely filthy. Hasn't been washed in like 6 months. Shame on me. Okay then, let's get on to it. So the first thing you want to do, get a step stool, because you won't be able to see anything from the ground. Paper towels, towel, because we're going to make a mess. Guaranteed. So what we want to do first, get over the truck, and you're going to look at the intake. What we want to do, we're going to take the screw off right there. We're going to take that off, and then we're going to take this air box and we're going to fold it over so we can get to the thermostat, which is under this. Never a dull moment. So it says squeeze up till that moves. This will come up and then pop it right off. Now the air box should just. So what we want to get to is right here. Let's see if we can prop this up. Trying to get to is right here. So these bolts need to come off. This is the hose of the radiator. Hasn't been driven in a couple days, so I can tell it's kind of empty. I'm still going to pinch this off because it's going to leak here and through here, and I want to mitigate. It's going to leak through here and here, so I want to mitigate this and make sure this is got at least a clamp on it before we take it off. So I got a 10mm socket. I'm gonna get the clamps for this. I'm gonna take the radiator hose off first before we get on it. Towel ready. Paper towel ready. Ooh, it's already leaking. Try to soak up some of this. Where is this coming from? This sucks. No doubt about it. Want to make sure you have your angle right. Install. Who's ready for a mess? Now I keep alternating because I want it to be even. We're pressing a gasket down. All right. Now we just need to put this clamp back down here, this one down here, and we are good to go. Wrap it all up. All right, as you can see, what a pain in the butt. I got radiator fluid everywhere, but let's hope it's fixed. And I'm gonna button everything back up. Thermostat's on. All we gotta do is start the car, so I'll show you that in a minute. But I'm gonna button things up first because it's a mess. I gotta clean up so my wife doesn't kill me. Love you, honey. And we'll see what happens when I turn it on. Everything is buttoned up. I had to top this bad boy off here. I ran out of coolant, but it was pretty empty, so that's exactly where it was the last time. So all that's left to do is start this bad boy up and see if it works. So let's see. Remember guys, be nice. The truck is the old girl, so she doesn't get as much clean attention as she should. All right. So far the fans are on. What we want to watch is that gauge after a couple minutes, but yeah, let's check outside. guess what? Fans are on full blast. Guess I was wrong. Not the thermostat. Thermostat's still good. It was the damn sensor. Ah! So I just thought of something. As you can hear, full blast, the fans are where? I'm gonna go, there's still the code, which the code could be telling the system to turn it on full blast because it was a problem. I'm gonna go to Discount or AutoZone or whatever and just see if they can delete the code for me. Maybe it'll stop. That's what we gotta try. So let's go to our friendly AutoZone and get that done. Booyah! What do you see there? It's up to temp. Came over to AutoZone and they cleared the code for me and it worked. So I'm glad that I didn't just buy another part, and it was the thermostat. It's now fixed. We're rocking and rolling, baby. We are back. We are back. So let's go. The old girl. But we're also going to keep an eye on that temperature gauge just in case. You never know what's going to happen. Just for a couple days and see what's going on. But should be good. I drove here. We're all right. So knock on the wood. And but thanks for watching. We fixed it. We're there. There's going to be more videos coming soon. A lot on the S2000 coming up in the next couple weeks. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Brocco Fast.